needs vary across ages and are especially impacted by lifestyle and health. Researchers cannot pinpoint an exact amount of sleep need by people at different ages. Some people, such as older adults, seem to be more resistant to the effects of sleep deprivation, while others, especially children and young adults, are more vulnerable. Newborn babies, infants, toddlers, children and teenagers have more daily requirements of sleep, which vary depending on their age. People vary in how little sleep is needed to be considered sleep deprived. Sleep deprivation has been linked to all kinds of health problems, from weight gain to a weakened immune system. Observational studies also suggest a link between sleep deprivation and obesity. The following factors implicate the link between sleep deprivation and weight gain. 1. Increase in cravings for junk food. Sleep deprivation, even for one night, can change the way our brain responds to junk food. Fattening foods stimulate a part of the brain that helps govern the motivation to eat. But at the same time, sleep deprivation reduces activity in a higher level part of our brain. 2. Decrease in metabolic rate. Evidence suggests that sleep deprivation may lower the body's resting metabolic rate. It's the amount of calories our body consumes when we're at rest. Age, weight, height, sex, and muscle mass affects it. This requires more confirmation, but it seems that poor sleep can cause muscle loss. 3. Reduction in growth hormone. Deep sleep is the most restorative of all stages of sleep. Growth hormone is released and works to restore and rebuild our body and muscles. Sleep deprivation reduces levels of growth hormone, which helps regulate body proportions. 4. Interference in carbohydrate metabolism. Sleep deprivation interferes with the body's ability to metabolize carbohydrates, causing high blood glucose levels. The higher your insulin levels, the greater body fat storage. In one experiment, scientists disrupted participants sleeping just enough to prevent them from entering deep sleep. During these nights of deep sleep deprivation, the subject's insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance fell by 25%. 5. Increase in ghrelin level. Ghrelin is a hormone formed in the stomach, also called hunger hormone. It sends a signal to feel hungry. It plays a key role in regulating calorie and body fat levels. A single night of sleep deprivation raises healthy men's ghrelin levels and hunger feelings. Eating right and exercising regularly is an important part of weight maintenance. Therefore, healthy sleep habits can help our body maintain a healthy weight. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.